A court case in Ontario involving a former Conservative MP has been stirring interest and controversy all day. Rahim Jaffer pleaded guilty to careless driving, but other, more serious charges were dropped. And that had people on Parliament Hill and people in the street asking why. More now from CTV's Danielle Hamanjan.
Everyone can hear it.
Rahim Jaffer walked out of an Ontario courtroom with only a $500 fine.
I'm sorry. I know this was a serious matter. I am relieved that it has been concluded this morning.
In September, the former Conservative MP was charged with speeding, possession of cocaine, and impaired driving. Jaffer pleaded guilty to careless driving. As for the other charges, the Crown said they were dropped because of legal reasons.
The charges of driving with over the legal limit and possession of any illegal substance has always been refuted.
Ooh, we got a hell of a deal, eh?
Whatever the deal, from the judge to Jaffer, he said simply, "I'm sure you can recognize a break when you see one."
Order.
And from the courtroom to the House of Commons.
What then is this government's comment on a dangerous driver in possession of illicit drugs who gets off with no record and a $500 slap on the wrist?
There would never be any political interference with any prosecution in this country.
Ammunition for the opposition questioning the tough-on-crime Tories.
There isn't a Canadian, I think, who would believe that he or she, faced with the same set of facts that Mr. Jaffer was faced with, would have at the very least had to go through a trial.
Many wondering about a two-tier justice system for the husband of a junior cabinet minister.
I really don't think that's fair to the rest of us.
My opinion is he got a really good break and he should just kiss the ground he's walking on.
The prosecution refuses to give additional explanation as to why the more serious charges of cocaine possession and impaired driving were dropped. Meanwhile, the opposition would like to see the Office of the Attorney General of Ontario step in and clarify the matter. Danielle Hamanjan, CTV News, Ottawa.